Exploring assessment tools. These are my choices. I decided to pick Padlet and Formative. Why? I choose these two tools because they're easy to integrate to any instructional platform, and they can be shared and used with different types of devices. Padlet. Padlet is easy to share. It has different formats for assignments. They have multiple toys to allow students share their work, and they are very good for all ages on different grade levels. Formative is easy to integrate with other Google applications and other platforms as well. It can be set in different languages, which is very good for teachers that are working with modern languages or foreign languages. It has different tools to enrich questions and provide data of students' performance by a chart on which the teacher can see on which areas students need more support. Similarities. They are easy to integrate to other applications as Canvas and Google Classroom. They have multiple tools. They can be used with different subjects and languages. They have the flexibility in the content organization, and they are visually appealing. Their differences. In Padlet, students have the freedom to choose the way to share their work or answers, and Padlet promotes collaborative work because they can work as a team. And Formative collects data by collecting students' answers and organizing them in a chart on the way that teacher can see on which areas students are in need of support or scaffolding. Thank you.